What's up, y'all? Jack here. Today I thought I'd do something special for Twitter. Food review of the new Dairy Queen pumpkin pie blizzard. Now, you may be thinking, why did you get that? It's August. Well, they advertised it as their blizzard of the month, so I thought I'd try it. I'm a big fan of pumpkin products, pumpkin spice pancakes, yummy, pumpkin pie, pumpkin spice drinks. I eat it all. But I got this blizzard. And the blizzard was advertised like nicely. They were like, we're gonna put whipped cream on it. It'll be good. So I got the whipped cream pumpkin pie blizzard in a medium. After trying it, I can conclude that the blizzard is only okay. And that's pretty much it. Yeah.